If your iPhone feels slower than it should, follow these steps to fix it. Let's start by opening the Settings app. One quick improvement is enabling tap or swipe to wake, which lets you wake your iPhone instantly without pressing the power button. Navigate to the option Accessibility, head over to the option Touch. Now here you're going to find the option Tap or swipe to wake and enable for this option. Once this is turned on, all you have to do is swipe up on the screen and your iPhone wakes immediately. It's a small change, but it makes the phone feel more responsive. Next, go back to the main page of settings, head over to the option Apps, find Safari and launch it. Now scroll down. You'll see the option of Clear History and Website Data. Click on that. Check in for the option All History and toggle on for the option Close All Tabs. Then click on Clear History. This removes stored cache and unused data, which helps Safari and your phone overall run much more smoothly. After that, head back to Settings, tap on General, open Background App Refresh. Turn this setting off so apps are not constantly running in the background using up processing power. This allows your iPhone to focus only on the apps you are actively using, which improves performance. Now go back again and open Privacy and Security. Click on Location Services. Many apps are set to use your location all the time, which drains resources. Change most apps to never or while using the app. Scroll all the way down to System Services and turn off significant locations, which continuously tracks where you go. Disabling this alone can noticeably improve speed. While you are still in Privacy and Security, open Analytics and Improvements and turn off all data sharing options. These settings constantly collect and send usage data in the background and don't provide much benefit to you while slowing your phone down. Another major factor that affects performance is storage. Go back to the main page of settings, then head over to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. Review which apps are taking up the most space. For large apps you still use, you can offload and reinstall them to clear cache and temporary files. For apps you don't use at all, deleting them can instantly free up space and improve responsiveness. Finally, the simplest but most overlooked fix, restart a phone. You can shut it down from settings or by holding the side and volume buttons. Restarting clears temporary memory, stops background processes, and gives your iPhone an immediate speed boost. Do all of this and your iPhone will feel noticeably faster within minutes. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.